Hi, my name is Richard Duffy. I'm the Sales and Marketing Programs Manager, and I'm part of the Global SME team. And what I'd like to do in today's session is take you through the latest in our marketing campaigns that we've put together for you, our SAP Business One partners. And that's a campaign that's focused on utilizing the very latest innovations from SAP for SAP Business One, and that's the SAP Business One mobile application for iPhone, iPad, and although we don't talk a lot about it, of course you can also run the mobile application on a Wi-Fi enabled iPod Touch. So the focus of this particular campaign is really around the idea of providing your employees with the tools they need to make sure that they've got access to information at their fingertips, access to really everything they need to run the business effectively utilizing these tools. So let's talk a little bit about the target market for this particular campaign. So again, like most of our net new marketing campaigns, this campaign is really focused on new customers who have not yet seen SAP Business One. So not only do we have the very, very strong value proposition for SAP Business One that exists today in the small enterprise market, but we also now have the value proposition that is delivered by the mobile application, and we know that that's one of the key things that small enterprises are really focused on, is figuring out how they can take these mobile applications and use them effectively in their business. So campaign target market, new customers who have not yet seen SAP Business One. Now, of course, this is a great campaign that you can use to reactivate prospects who are in your list, but in the past chose, for whatever reason, to do nothing. So with the new mobile applications, this is another great reason for them to stop and take another look at SAP Business One, and for you as a partner to reach out to them and have a really good, strong reason for going out to them and saying, hey, we would like to re-engage with you and talk to you about what SAP Business One can do for your business. And of course, existing customers that you have that may be on other solutions legacy solutions or smaller solutions than SAP Business One, who are ready to migrate. And again, the powerful message here is that the mobile applications are available for them to really take the next step from a business perspective. So hopefully that makes sense. Now, one thing to bear in mind, we will also be delivering in 2011, in Q1, a campaign based on the mobile application that you can use for your existing SAP Business One 2007 customers to give them another great reason to migrate from 2007 to SAP Business One 8.8. But I'll do a campaign execution guide when that campaign's ready. So what are the campaign assets that we're making available for you with this particular campaign? Well, in 2011, we're going to really be focusing on providing you more assets in each of our pre-built campaigns, and I would encourage you to come along to the FCOM events that are going to be scheduled in each of the different regions and try and find out as much information on those as you can. Reach out to your channel partner manager and ask them about it, because we'll be talking more about the whole marketing plan for 2011 for SAP Business One there. But each of the campaigns that we deliver in 2011, we're going to basically have a standard set of assets that we're going to be delivering, and there'll be 6 of those. So what you can see here in this particular campaign, I'm going to use my cursor here to point some of these things out, is we will start off by delivering you a mailing postcard. And that's what you can see here. It's a double-sided mailing postcard which you can use either to trigger the initial interest in the solution or as a follow-up piece once you've had some other kind of touch with your prospect on this particular campaign. There's also a direct mail letter, and this direct mail letter is formatted using HTML, so you can do one of two things. You can execute it using just standard Microsoft Outlook functionality and mailing it out to your list. You can take it and use it as the basis for a campaign which you might use if you're using a tool like Constant Contact or Aweber or something like that. Plus, you can also take that same letter, you can convert it into a Microsoft Word document, and you can use it if Word is the way that you like to communicate with your customers or your potential customers. Now, one of the calls to action on that is to come and visit a landing page and find out more information about the offers, and that's what we have here. We're delivering a HTML landing page which you can customize, and I'll talk a little bit about how you customize these tools in a second. We've also provided a presentation deck which takes the standard SAP Business One customer deck, incorporates the very latest information about the SAP Business One mobile application for iPhone and iPad, and gives you a deck which you can use if you are going to go ahead and do your own webinar or your own seminar presentation around this new solution. The next thing we're also going to be providing is an on-demand webinar. So I'm going to be recording an on-demand webinar where I'll take that presentation and deliver that out to you in a standard generic format that you can then host on your website and you can point your prospects to. Or alternatively, like we did with the 8.8 campaigns, I'm also willing to customize those on-demand webinars for you. Put your company logo on there, incorporate your company name in the welcome message, and then of course in the call to action at the end of the webinar, provide the contact details for the appropriate person or people in your organization for prospects to contact. So again, bear that in mind. The sixth thing we're going to be doing is providing you with social media assets that you can utilize in your social media platforms. So if you're using YouTube, if you're using Twitter, if you're blogging, we're also going to be providing videos. We're also providing blog content. We're also providing short, if you like, calls to action that you can utilize on your Twitter feed. So that's the 6 assets that are available with this campaign, and these assets are available right now from the landing page where obviously you are right now, because that's how you're watching this particular execution webinar. So let's talk about the offers that are available with this particular campaign. Now, one of the things that we always recommend that you do is that you talk to your SAP channel manager about the offers that are available in your country or region that you can utilize and incorporate into a campaign. So again, very, very important, because the offers vary from country to country and region to region. That's one of the reasons why you'll find in these campaigns we have not embedded any hard offers, because we like to give you the flexibility to be able to go out and structure those offers yourself. So what kind of offers can you incorporate into the campaign? Well, you can leverage the current Crystal Presentation Design campaign, which gives you the ability to offer to your prospects a free copy of Crystal Presentation Design, which you can, if you wanted to, you could give every user of SAP Business One a free copy of Crystal Presentation Design. That gives them the ability to access data using Excel from SAP Business One and then build dashboards from that information. Now, that's different to what we have with the standard dashboard functionality in SAP Business One, where you need the different version of the SAP Crystal dashboard design. But this is a great free way of getting people involved. You can also leverage the SAP Business One bundle, as I always encourage you to do, for those customers and say, here is your starting point, which, as you know, incorporates a standard 7% discount into the offer. And then, of course, you can upsell additional users. You can build your own implementation services bundle to deliver a rapid installation and upsell additional services around that. And one of the important things, because this campaign is focused on mobility, what I've seen a number of partners do, and what I'd recommend you do, is you can go and you can set up free BI on-demand accounts for all of your new customers. Work this into an offer. As part of the offer, you can say, if you purchase this solution from our partner organization, not only will we provide you the SAP Business One and the mobile application, but we'll also create the BI on demand accounts for you, and you can then also leverage the Mobile Explorer component of Business Intelligence on Demand. So not only do they get the Business One mobile application, but you can also extend it out to incorporate the Business Intelligence mobile application that's also available free of charge from the Apple App Store. Now, one of the other things that you can do with that is you can deliver some pre-built content. Now, if you don't know how to do that, please go out and visit my YouTube channel at youtube.com/DuffyRichard, and I'll actually show you there how you can do that. There's a session that I've done on using BI on demand with the iPad, for example. So that's a couple of different offers that are available for you. Now, what you can also do, all of these campaign assets, the EDM, the landing page, are delivered to you as standard HTML content. The webinar that you can run yourself, we're delivering you a standard PowerPoint presentation deck. You can modify these campaign assets yourself to add in your offers. So the EDM and the landing page are standard HTML, so any HTML editor can be used. Whether you're using Dreamweaver, you can even just use Notepad if you or somebody in your team or your agency knows how to work with HTML. The postcard is built using Adobe InDesign, and that's a product which you can purchase for about $699 US, and you can then make the basic changes. You don't need to be an Adobe InDesign expert, because the main things you'll probably change is the text. So great simple tool to use for doing that. The webinar is built using TextMist Camtasia, and I'm hosting it on screencast.com, and that you can embed that in your own website, or you can provide it to a prospect via a simple URL which you embed in an email or in any one of these campaign offers. So again, if you're looking to do some of these things, I'd encourage you, go and have a look at Camtasia Studio. It's a fantastic tool for building these kinds of components. Now, we don't stop there, because one of the things that I would like to do is, as I do with all of these campaigns, is if you're not sure what to do next, if you need help creating offers that are specific to your partner organization, if you don't have the skills or the people or an agency to make the necessary changes to the campaign assets that you need to factor in your offer, your partner logo, whatever the case may be, or if you would like some coaching on your overall marketing strategy, please reach out to me. My email address is richard.duffy@sap.com, and I'd be more than happy to help you decide what you need to do, what your offer should be, adjust the campaign assets, talk to you about your marketing strategy. That's my role here in the SAP Business One team. I'm here ready, willing, and able to help you. So I hope you enjoy using this campaign. I look forward to your feedback about the campaign, what you think we could do differently, what you think we could do better. Don't forget also that these campaigns will also be available up on the virtual agency for you. So if you're a Business One partner who utilizes virtual agency, very, very shortly we will have these campaigns available for you to execute through virtual agency. So until we speak again and I launch the next one of our marketing campaigns for SAP Business One, and we'll have a few more coming in 2011. I wish you good selling, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you very much.